Hey, welcome to Geo Jerry's Adventures. I'm Geo Jerry. Today we're gonna go out and find ourselves a geocache out here on Bass Lake. Yeah, geocache is right over there. We'll go see if we can track this down. If you haven't seen my channel before, I'm about going on adventures. Whether it's geocaching or looking for munsies or just adventures in general. Who knows where I go? I just like going on adventures. So you should subscribe if you're not already. Go on some adventures with me and see where we go. Ooh, I just saw a sign about poison oak, so I gotta make sure I watch out for poison oak. Alright, got a feeling the geocache is located down in these rocks somewhere. Found it. Let me get it. There it is. I just won a new car. Check this hot rod out. Oh, Dodge Charger. This thing's a bad boy. Yeah. All right, I'll leave it for someone else. Alright, well anyway, I'm going to go and sign this log, say thanks for watching, make sure you subscribe for my adventures, and I will see you guys later. Go on adventures. See ya.